We have some friends visiting here tonight.
Oh no, that means stop.
Robert Holmes and
She's cranking away now.
She's cranking away, huh?
and his sister Peggy. Should have enjoyed their visit.
When that thing gets out.
That thing gets going, I think it's quiet, huh?
Stop talking when she comes.
Nick's trying to find a place in on the map that he was on a fire in California. He's forgotten the name, so he's using the map to try to remind him. Robert and Nick were boys together.
Go back many, many years.
Yeah.
We're not gonna tell you how old we are. We'll go back many, many years.
Many, many moons, huh?
We sat out here on
A missionary on the Hopi.
This is
Indian
Peggy,
reservation.
and it's easy to remember her name.
No, he's in Corona now.
Oh,
We're just talking about a former pastor of ours, and
yeah.
she said
They're all
Pastor
close by.
Earl lives just about
They live
10
in a,
miles from where she lives.
Trailer village, one of those places, where you park your car, and then if you do any traveling around, you travel around on these little electric carts.
yeah.
They have a, trailer living in this part of the country is.
Hey Willie, what you doing?
It's hot, ain't it?
Yeah.
Just mowing a little bit.
Mowing a little bit?
Yeah.
Where did Pearl go?
She's out in the swing.
Okay.
Wouldn't let her mow.
What is that, Pearl?
He wouldn't let me mow the yard.
He wouldn't let you mow?
Just let me put something other in her lap. That's what you go in Tennessee.
Hey! Where you going? Oh, she's gonna back it up. Oh, there she goes. She's got her going. She'll shift it in high. Hey, Pearl, I got you this time. We finally got Pearl to work. Hey, where you guys going?
I said that van sure does look like ours, today.
Yeah.
That is ours.
We're up at the Reelfoot Lake, and the ducks are just really having fun out here. We had a picnic lunch, and